Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto bearing. So deEbeck. Let's go to the Najdorf. I'll try an early bishop b7 there. Is it possible to consider castling queenside, I wonder? This knight takes e6 is on the cards, or knight d5. Maybe just knight takes c4, knight c4, knight c4. Let's play knight c4 for a moment. So that, yeah, this is knight takes e6. He has moved queen a few times here. And now without that bishop, can I not just castle? Right, I'll just hold the center. I think rook d8, not rook c8. Hang on, rook e8 takes knight d5. Maybe this is better holding the bishops, loose piece. I think an idea is d5, trying to get a French defense structure, and then bishop c5. Yeah, I think d5, then knight e4, if e5. That should be a good, solid approach, I hope. If it was possible, which is not, is e5. He's prompting e5. Knight takes e4. Maybe d5 is possible. Takes d takes e. Queen takes f7 coming up. That doesn't look too bad. There's e5, knight e4, f6. In that line there's bishop c5. So this, actually, let's try this d5 response. It's, in a way, it solves the d5 square problem. Right, now I'm on there, but is he getting f6 with a vengeance? I've got that French defense structure. Can I play bishop g5? This knight e6, bishop c8 business. I think bishop g5. I think bishop c8. When's your queen g4? Have I got any clever tricks? No, queen g4 I can take. Queen g3. I'll place it there. Well, the knight's then pinned. Looking for clever tricks, I don't think. Right, there's no knight e6 because he's just self-pinned. b4. Rook e7. I think rook e7's good for rook e8. King h8 coming up. Mind you, that f file looks pretty precarious. There might be g6 on the way. Can't move because of, no, we can. Wonder about g6, protects f8. Let's go with G6 for bishop G7. Rook F6, bishop G7. He's always pinned basically at the moment. Can I go for his E pawn? Bishop takes E5. That's quick on D4. In fact, H5 is almost dangerous. Almost. Keep the pressure on D4. Actually, bishop takes and queen c3 if rook e3 is worth looking at anyway. This bishop's not great. He's left his knight hanging. Does he really want to do that? I can sack the exchange. What else can I do? Yeah, I think there's queen takes e5 as well. I'm going to take this. Knight takes, queen takes e5. It's not mating on f8. The bishop's holding f8. He's got queen sack. The bishop's holding f8. So that's quite committal. Piece sack, surely. If I just dismantle this centre, queen takes e5 for the moment. I can't immediately see anyway that he's got a winning attack or anything. I take with the king, I guess. F7's covered. I have to cover F7. There's a check I can throw in. But I still want to cover F7 after, so maybe Queen C7 is best here. It makes it straightforward at the moment then. D4. Right, hitting Queen. H6, I think I might take that. Alright, bishop e4, trying to get a bit solid. On g6. And then queen e5. Am I scared? I should be. Alright, I want to try and find clever tricks and resources though to defend this. I think that was one of them, to defend g6. It looks good. h6 is going to be dangerous, right? Can I just take this to avoid pawn pawn? So bishop g6, I want to play bishop g6 without allowing h6. He's not sacking there. Right, so I'm going to play queen e5. I'm defending now. F7 will come to me. I've got queen e3 check. Throw the check.
Check.
Get 2 rooks for the queen.
Check.
Oh, I got good material, yeah.
Time warning.
Coordinate on g2.
Check.
Yeah, I think he's in trouble now. Alright, let's analyze this. Oh, it's good for black, yeah. King e6. Okay. Let's. It's interesting. Did I actually do the right thing there? H6 is mentioned. B4. Right. E5, not D5 is mentioned. E5 here looks like the obvious thing to do. But I was worried about D5.
Check.
Mind you. So this position is pretty standard stuff with D5 being weak. What's this about though? B4. Ah, there's a little bit of a difference with queenside pressure. Yeah, maybe this isn't something to be that concerned about. I can play for Queen B7, right? Okay, so that's a comfortable position. So I was hoping he plays that. I was hoping for this. I thought this was okay.
Check.
This position here. But he plays this. Oh, what? I didn't see he takes at all. Oh man. Yeah, I get it. I think.
Check.
I get it.
Check.
Oh yeah, that's an interesting one. If he has to play that.
Check. Check.
I have to stop back row. Okay, it's okay for black. G6 is mentioned here. Queen C7 is mentioned. Why is that so good? Is that any good? I'm taking on E5, right? Yeah, it's putting pressure on E5. Yes, this piece sack. Oh, there's Queen C8. Oh, come on. Pin and win, Queen C8. Yeah, what does he do here? It's easy after that, isn't it? Oh, it's so easy. That's so easy. Oh, man. But here it's good for black anyway. As long as I don't step into a major disaster. What was actually check?
Check.
Alright, I can take
Check.
here. And let's check and go here. That's safe enough. I'm on his queen. Was this a reasonable move? I don't know. Queen takes C2 was mentioned. I mean, that's okay.
Check. Check.
Yeah, just getting the rooks off. Surely that's an option just to simplify the position.
Check.
Okay. Alright, fun one. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.